Hi everyone, welcome back to Makewell, Miss Markwell, or hi if you're new to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some festive cooking. I'm going to be making some mince pies. I warned you I was going to be dressing up as a Christmas elf. I hope you like it. Okay, let's do it. Let's get cooking. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the flour until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Don't give up and persevere and keep rubbing in the butter and flour. It will eventually become breadcrumbs. Make a well in the centre of the breadcrumb mixture. Stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of ice water to make a soft but not sticky dough. Add just enough water to mix the dough that leaves the bowl clean. Sieve a light dusting of flour onto the work surface. This will stop the pastry from sticking. Also flour the rolling pin for the same reason. Roll out the pastry as thin as possible. Lightly dust the rolling pin again to stop the pastry from sticking. You can use a fluted edge cutter or a plain one. Using the pastry cutter, cut out 12 for the base of the mince pies and cut out another 12 using the smaller cutter. Now grease the patty tins lightly and line them with the larger pastry rounds. Fill these with mincemeat to the level of the edges of the pastry. Dampen the edges of the larger rounds with the pastry with water, so when you press the lids, you can seal the edges. Press the edges down to seal the tops of the mince pies with your fingertips. This will hopefully stop the mincemeat liquid from spilling out during the baking process. Pierce the top of the pastry with a knife. This will allow the steam out when baking. Crack the egg and beat it with a fork. Brush the beaten egg all over the tops of the mince pies. This will give it a golden topping when it's baked. Bake near the top of the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until lightly golden brown. Remove from the oven using oven gloves. Place the hot tray on a tea towel so you do not damage the work surface. Remove the hot mince pies from the patty tin onto a wire rack. When the mince pies are cool, now add a light dusting of icing sugar all over the top of the mince pies. Well, I hope you enjoyed the mince pie recipe. I'm going to try one now. Yeah, the pastry is delicate and beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this festive little treat. Yeah, thank you for all your support. Please subscribe, comment and like the video. Okay, bye.